in this video, we're going to set up the enemies so they can move. So the ghost will move automatically. We'll set it up so that it moves, right away, one direction or another. When it hits a wall, it will reverse direction. And for now, we'll also set it up that if the main character collides with the ghost, he'll jump back to the starting position where he started in the game and start over from there. Okay. Later we'll learn to deal with things like lives and things like that. But for now, we're gonna deal with the ghost. So the ghost, we're gonna set a create event. We're gonna actually do, well, we might end up having two ghosts. Right now, this ghost, when it's created, is going to either move left or right at a speed of, let's say, 4. Okay? So in our room, if I put in some ghosts, let's say I put a ghost here, I put a ghost, this would be right now a bad place for a ghost because there would be no way for me to avoid him at all. Like, I'd come here and I would never be able to get to this side, so I'll avoid that. We'll try to put one here, see how that fares, and we'll put one here, okay? And for now, that'll be good. So let's see what happens when we play our game right now. Okay, there they go, they're moving, okay? Of course, we did not tell the ghosts to do anything if they hit a wall. So this turns into a little review then. When the ghost collides with the wall, we're gonna have it reverse horizontal direction, okay? That's because it only goes horizontally right now. So let's give that a try. Excellent, okay? Now with my character, a couple of things become evident. One is I should not go down there. This presents another little issue that I'll go over with you. Now I can get out of his way, sort of. And this one if I'm careful. But see, my first issue right now is that the character, the main guy, I cannot get through some of the walls, so I need to change that. Okay, so let's go and do that. So I'm going to go to the main sprite, and this will give us an opportunity to edit the sprite. So I'm going to go Edit Sprite, and I'm just going to make him a little bit smaller. I'm going to go to Transform, and even though it sounds like Stretch would make him bigger, Stretch can make him bigger or smaller. And I'm going to change him from 32 by 32 to, let's just say, 28 by 28. Okay? Now, in my room, he should maneuver just enough better that we can get around without that frustration. That's something to be very aware of once people are play testing your games. See, he moves around a lot better, and now I would be able to get out of here. I could also create ghosts going up and down. Might as well do that. And so for my ghost, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to duplicate this object, and I'm going to call it obj ghost vert for vertical. And when he's created, I'm going to change this, and likewise I would have to change this. I can delete it and just switch it with reverse vertical. Okay, and there we have it. So now I'm going to put some of the ghost 2s in my game. I could make them look different if I want. I don't have to. I'm going to put one here. This is another one of those precarious places I can't really put one. This would be a challenging place to put one. Well, definitely, why don't we put one here for no good reason, because I shouldn't go that way anyway. But if I put one here, yeah, why not? So now we're going to try our game again. Oops. I guess I either put the wrong type of ghost in, or I didn't program him right. This is ghost vertical. So let's look at ghost vertical when he's created. Uh-oh, I might have, well, here we go. Try that again. And when he hits a wall, he's going to reverse. I might have mixed them both up. Then ghost 1, oops, okay. And object wall, we're going to change this one again. Alright, much better, I hope. It's always worth looking at a problem that occurs and thinking about how to fix it. You'll come across that plenty. There we go, much nicer. Now, the question is, how easily... I think I could get by him. I gotta go... Okay, good. Definitely my game's a little... Oh boy, this is a little too challenging maybe because of the... Okay, well, we can revisit that in a little while. The last thing I wanted to deal with in this case is if my main character collides with either ghost it's going to end up having to be. With ghost, he's going to have to, we're going to say, jump to start. And here's an important distinction. Because I'm programming my main character, self here refers to this character, okay? Other would refer to the ghost. So if I had thought by accident, or if I had decided that I was going to have it be set up that when the ghost collides with my guy, then I would have used that. But in this case, it's my guy self that I want to jump back to start. And as I said, I'm going to do the same thing with ghost vertical and make my guy jump to start, and we'll see how that goes. Now this is where I've got to be careful. Oops, see, and I wasn't able. And this is when you continue to play your games. Game design is all about the iterative design process. And in this case, in terms of iteration, I might have to really think about those two ghosts, and especially for the first level, whether that's appropriate. But anyway, that's our lesson for right now. The next thing we'll talk about is backgrounds and sound, and we'll also get into setting up a scoring mechanism with lives shortly.